Alright, so I figured I'd finally make a video. This video has been a long time coming. I decided to record some trades and the process. What I figure after 15 years of studying this utter nonsense is the way that, that we should be doing this. The reason is we have to look at things in different perspectives to get a yes or a no. There is no, because the teacher said, because the history book said this is a fact, means that this is a fact. You need to verify that this is a fact. You need to add different perspectives. And if they're all pointing to the same thing, then you should have a fact. But still, it's never guaranteed. So with all that in mind, I wanted to make a video and showing you how I'm going about this nonsense. So we look at the indexes here, all the indexes. Okay. I have over here on another screen the yen and the Swiss. So I'll bring those over, have a little look at those too. We'll do some live trades, and I'll show you one that I've been in for since the beginning of the age of Aquarius, which I intend to hold for about at least 20 years, assuming the financial market has not disappeared by then. So what we got here, we have Swiss, Swiss strong. Okay, that's all we know from here, but from here it's sideways. Yen weak because it's reversed, right? So we'll bear all this in mind. Look here, euro strong, Canada weaker. So a euro CAD sell would be good, but we have to keep in mind the longer term time frame of CAD is super up and euro is super down. Now I believe it's time to have a pullback here, and that's my gut. Now many times I've noticed I've done amazing trades from my gut but not understood why. I never was able to replicate that as a business model because the gut would be different and you would never know why. Anyway, one day I kind of started to figure out why, and that's where we come to this next part here. All right, so we're on today, 13th October. Most of the planets are retrograding. These are the energies in the sky. This reflects the collective consciousness. This is how busy the day will be in terms of busyness at work, emails sent, emails received, deals being done productively, deals not going through, boss being called to you, boss not being called to you, etc., etc. All this will tell us that. Red planets retrograding, so these are effectively asleep at the moment. 12th of October was yesterday. Jupiter was retrograding today. It's still retrograding. Mars retrograding was a while ago. So nothing new has stopped retrograding by the looks of this. So it's going to be the same as yesterday in terms of volatility. Looks like Mars has sped up a little bit here. Hang on, it's 17 seconds ago, 59 degrees. 18 seconds to go, 39 degrees. So no, it's slowed down. So it's not going to be as crazy as yesterday in terms of volatility, but not much difference. It really won't be. Although it's now 9:22 Eastern when I'm recording this. What else we got here to look at? Forex factory news. Anything happening? 2 p.m. All right. So this might cause something, but probably nothing big time because the planets say it's slow. It's slow. So probably I can't imagine a huge trend at that time, but we'll see. I don't know. Often I'm wrong. Where is everyone? What are they doing? They're extremely long EuroCAD, which means it should be going down. So we are going against this. But as I say, eventually these things pull back. And my intuition is telling me it's going to pull back. Right. Now, next, I want to just show you these trades. We're just going to do this on a demo account. I'll replicate everything on a live account. Let's take a look how much we're at here on this new demo account. Well, it's not new, but we'll just start new from this point on. Where are we here? Okay, so we're at 7,892. This is a demo. Okay, date 10/13/2021. We're going to ignore all these golds. These are long-term trades. I'm going to explain to you in a minute about. These are the trades we're in now from New York. Euro CAD and Euro Pound. Seems crazy, yep, but as I say, it's an intuition that we have to pull back, so we're going to go with that. And eventually we will all understand how we get these intuitions, and that's my goal, is to explain how we do that and how we can connect to them repetitively, consistently, day in, day out. Just going to move this back here. So we saw what we were at there. I'm going to explain this gold trade now. What we're doing with gold. And so what we're in Euro Canada, that's here. Just from around here in New York. We're just buying as much as possible without blowing up the account, basically. My theory here is the guys in London that have skyscrapers and Rolls Royces parked out are never wrong. They can't be wrong, otherwise they wouldn't be able to afford those buildings. So them telling us they're making 13% a year, to me, after 16 years of doing this, is utter nonsense. I'm sorry, they're lying. And that's just my opinion, but that's that's my perspective on things. It's always the opposite. Whatever they tell us is the opposite. So let's go on to do this here. Where are we here? Okay, so we've checked this. We don't like it, but it's got to have a pullback. So we're gonna go ahead with that. These numbers will just reduce and then they'll change again, and then maybe we'll continue on down. Gold, 51% of the people are long, 49% are short. This for a long period of time has been in the 60s. It's reduced now, but we'll just keep this in mind. That's it. We're not going to change our perspective on anything. We're just going to keep this in our mind, and then we'll look at things as we go. Gold is here. Here it is. Okay. We entered the age of Aquarius here back in end of December 2021. It's going to last for 20 years until we move into the age of Libra. Aquarius represents technology, less physical, and we've also entered a satanic era, which means hiding nature. Essentially, they don't like us to see nature, feel nature, or be aware of nature, so they hide nature from us. Which means gold, since it's from nature, will be hidden from us. And Age of Aquarius, less physical, so I believe we're going to go down Yes, everyone thinks it's going up. I understand that. But guess what? Everyone's always wrong. So I'm just going to hold this literally for 20 years. We started selling that in December, January, and just waiting now. And those are the ones on the demo there. If this is all wrong and it goes up here and it blows up the account, we'll have to top it up because I'm doing it on the same account. But yeah, anyway, that's a little update. Hope that was a little bit informative. I'll give you more details as we go along about how to tie in the astrology and the speed of everything, the energy, the momentum, the vibe of the day, and how to get your own gauge for that, because it really does help knowing these things. But yeah, anyway, hope you liked the video, and I'll make another one soon. Have a nice day.